Okay, number 2. First, we want to determine whether the triangles are congruent. If so, we're going to name the postulate or theorem, and we're going to do a congruency statement. So the first thing I do is I marked my shared side always every time I see it. Then I read on. It says LMK, L to M to K, this angle is congruent to JMK, J to M to K here. And then it says that KM is the bisector of LKJ. So this angle right here has been bisected, cut into two congruent parts. So I see that I have an angle, an included side, an angle, congruent to an angle, included side, and an angle. So this is the angle side angle postulate. And my congruency statement. L has nothing here, so it matches with J. M has one arc, so it matches with the other M. And K has two arcs, so it matches with the other K. Number 6, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw these separate so that you can see the overlapping. If you see FHE, F to H to E, and then GHE, G to H to E. And if you notice here, they both share EH in common. So I'm going to mark that as my shared side. Then it says EFH, E to F to H, angle EFH is congruent to HGE, H to G to E right here. And side FE, FE is congruent to side GH, GH. So we have angle, side, side, angle, side, side. This is not a postulate. Can't be done. Oops. Side, side angle does not work to prove congruent triangles. Number 2, we want to state and mark what additional information is required in order to know that the triangles are congruent for the reason given. So, and then complete the congruency statement. So we want to prove angle, angle, side. Well, we already know that the vertical angles are congruent. So what do we have to mark additionally to prove angle, angle, side? Well, we have angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. So you can mark side JK congruent to side MN. But if you also wanted to do angle, angle, side here and angle, angle, side here, then you could mark LK congruent to LN. Either way, you'll have angle, angle, side. My congruency statement, L in LKJ, here's LKJ. L has two arcs, so it matches with the other L. K has no arcs, so it matches with N that has no arcs. And J has one arc, so it matches with M. So your final congruency statement should be L, N, M.